Here at Audi Cherry Hill, we're driven by you.
We're committed to providing you with a truly seamless service experience.
First, it's easy to make an appointment with us by using our online scheduler. With just a few clicks, you can schedule and manage your service reservation all from your phone. And if you'd like some assistance in making that reservation, know our service coordinators are standing by, ready to help. They're just a phone call away. Our goal is to make the service experience flawless, and so when you arrive to Audi Cherry Hill for service, you can pull your vehicle right into the service drive. And because we value your time, our factory-trained Audi technicians help you get in and out during every service appointment. We have a comfortable waiting area for you as your vehicle is being serviced with complimentary Wi-Fi, coffee, and refreshments, or you could always pass the time by browsing the new Audi models on our showroom floor. Quality service with a friendly smile, that's what you can expect from Audi Cherry Hill. So if you're in the Philadelphia or South Jersey area, be sure to have your Audi serviced with us. Our experienced team is prepared to work on any new or pre-owned Audi at a time that is most convenient for you.